Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to activate Storage Sense. Over time, your PC can quietly fill with needless junk without even realizing it, as the recycle bin and temporary files suck up your storage. Storage Sense helps combat the creep. This is how you can do it. Click on the search box and type in Settings. Once you've found it, then click on it. Next, locate where it's written System and click on it. Now search where it's written Storage and click on it. Finally, enable the Storage Sense option to have Windows start automatically clearing out unneeded temporary files and deleting any files in your recycle bin over 30 days old. You can tweak those options using the Change How We Free Up Space link underneath the option. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.